Alright guys, Jason Greystone here. I'm a professional investor and trader, and I'm also a co-founder over at Tier 1 Trading. I want to just take a second to invite you to our free 4-day online workshop that we're running. In this workshop, you'll be given the opportunity to work with experienced coaches and learn skills that will last you a lifetime. Each day and each session on each day is geared at accelerating growth and improving your performance as a trader. Now, if this is the first time you're going to be attending a workshop with us, it's going to be a little bit different to what you're used to, because unlike most webinars or workshops, we're not just going to throw a load of PowerPoint presentation and slides at you and give you pitch perfect examples of what works. We're actually going to be teaching you some stuff. We're going to get really practical and how to apply it to the market. Meaning, we're going to be going and doing some live trading sessions, and we're even going to be teaching you a brand new strategy that then you can go and backtest, and then you can implement straight away to your trading journey into consistently profitable trading. So if this trading year hasn't gone how you planned, yeah, that might stink a little bit, but honestly, there's nothing you can do about that now. What you can do is get started on planning for the next year and prepare to make this your best trading year ever. But it starts with acquiring some knowledge and then putting that knowledge into action. So I look forward to seeing you there for our 4-day Bridging the Gap free online trading workshop. And until then, plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care. I'll see you then.